स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello friends, welcome you all. So today's video is all about the NPAT 2021. So regarding exam date guys, we already made the video on same. Now this video is all about how to fill the application form. So stay tuned with me throughout this video because we'll talk about each and every particular step with respect to the form filling process. Now as the dates are out, you have to plan all your strategies. You have to prepare a proper roadmap so that you can boost your preparation and you can easily enter into the NMIMS. So there are 8 campuses of NMIMS you can target. So guys, if you have started your preparation, then it's well and good, and if you have not started yet, then you can add the manual crash course in your preparations. So let's talk about the form filling process. So very first one guys, if you want a regular updates with respect to the all BBA entrance exams, we have launched a new YouTube channel named Manual BBA Entrance. So link for this new YouTube channel I already mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe the channel. You will get the updates with respect to all these exams, the IPMAT, NPAT, SET, CRIST, TUCAT, UGAT, IPOCET, St. Xavier's and all other exams. So if you want a best coaching with respect to the BBA entrance preparations, call our board line number 8828581455. So let's talk about the crash course first. The manuals crash course for NPAT 2021. So what exactly you will get in this crash course? You will get all the basic concepts, all the fundamental concepts, and you will learn to the new shortcut techniques, and that will be known as the googly shortcuts. So you can easily solve any of the questions in a fractions of seconds. So you can enhance your speed to solving the questions. The second one, there will be 80 hours of marathon of the lectures and doubt classes. So all your doubts will be cleared into the live lectures. Third one, you will get the clusters of 5000 questions for the practice purpose. And if you talk about the entrance exam guys, then you must be adhered to the one parameter, and that is nothing but the practice. Because the way you practice and the amount of practice is directly related to your contribution towards the entrance exam preparation. Because guys, you have to practice with respect to all the techniques. You have to learn new shortcut tricks. You have to learn when to apply these all and how to apply them. So practice makes the perfect. So don't worry about the load of entrance exam. Will guide you throughout this process. You will get the motivation also. You will learn to the topper strategies also. The fourth one, you will evaluate yourself because you will get the access for the topic test and also the full length mock test. Topic test with respect to each particular sections, and the full length mock test that will be complete replica of your NPAT 2021. So you will be familiar with the paper pattern, with the type of questions, the difficulty level of the exams, and you can easily judge what are your strong sections and the weak sections. So according to all these parameters, you can plan your D-Day strategies. Fifth one, you will also learn to the various skills. So you will get the skill development courses, whatever the selection criteria the Nursing Monji will include, you will get the preparation for that. Right now, you will get the preparation for PI. If the update come with the GD or VAT or any other particular parameter they will include, you will get the preparation for that also. So you will get overall preparation with respect to the selection criteria. So don't worry about the selection process and even with respect to the entrance exam. So guys, if you want to join the crash course, call our board line number and book your seat. Now let's talk about how to fill the application form. So very first one, come at npat.in. This is the official website. Now here you can see the entrance test for other UG programs. CET for B Pharma plus MBA, LAT for BLLB and BBLLB, and DAT for the Bachelor of Designing. And for NPAT, you have to click here, the NMIMS NPAT 2021, apply now. So click here. Now this is the registration form. So that means you have to fill all details of yours, your name, date of birth, gender, father name, mother's name, your mobile number, and also your 10th roll number. Then you have to enter the CAPTCHA here and then submit. So let's fill all the details here. Now kindly click on edit tab and proceed further to complete the application form. So these are your personal details. Now here it is the tab print form, edit and logout. So you have to edit here. Now friends, this is the application form. You have to fill all these details. So friends, once filled all the details, you can log in here. Now after filling your application form, even it's incomplete, don't worry guys, From login page, you can fill, submit and view your application form. So enter the application ID and password whichever sent to your mail ID. Just check in inbox, enter the application ID and the password. So friends, once अगर कुछ टेक्निकल इश्यूज आ जाते हैं बाय चांस, जैसे कुछ टेक्निकल इश्यूज आ गए, सो लॉगिन पेज भी ओपन हो सकता है फर्स्ट, ठीक है। तो उसमें ये टेंशन मत लेना कि आपका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म तो आपने फिल किया नहीं और लॉगिन पेज कैसे आ गया। एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म आप कैसे करोगे, NMIMS NPAT 2021 जहाँ अप्लाई नाउ पे हमने क्लिक किया था, देन रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म हमने फिलअप किया, देन यू विल मूव टू द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म। अगर एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म ओपन नहीं होता है, कैंडिडेट लॉगिन होता है, सो कैंडिडेट लॉगिन की जो भी क्रेडेंशियल्स है आपको आपके मेल आईडी पर मिल जाएंगे, एंड देन यू कैन ऑल्सो एडिट योर एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म। सो क्लिक हियर ऑन एडिट ऑप्शन. Now we have to fill all these details. फोटो ID you can choose आधार कार्ड, वोटर ID, ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, पैन कार्ड, पासपोर्ट, जो भी आपके पास हो वो आप सेलेक्ट कर लो, एंड मेक श्योर जो भी ID आप यहाँ यूज़ कर रहे हो एग्जाम के वक्त भी आप वो ID अपने पास रखो. सेलेक्ट डिसेबिलिटी, कैटेगरी, फादर मदर, मोबाइल नंबर. सो आधार नंबर आप एंटर कर सकते हो, ब्लड ग्रुप, नेशनलिटी इंडियन, एड्रेस, अल्टरनेट मेल ID एंड अपलोड फोटोग्राफ है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू चूज फ्रॉम द फाइल एंड अपलोड. So after uploading image, save and next. Thereafter, now here you have to fill all these details. Okay, 10th and 12th details. 12th. Now friends, see here. If I select arts, then it will say you will be eligible for only following schools. Okay, these all are the schools. आप ये सारे schools के लिए eligible हो. अनिल सुरेंद्र मोदी स्कूल ऑफ कॉमर्स, सरला अनिल मोदी स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, स्कूल ऑफ लॉ, ज्योति दलाल स्कूल ऑफ लिबरल आर्ट्स एंड स्कूल ऑफ ब्रांडिंग एंड एडवर्टाइजिंग. सेम वाइज अगर आप कॉमर्स सेलेक्ट करते हो देन यू विल बी एलिजिबल फॉर ऑल द स्कूल्स, एंड इफ यू सेलेक्ट योर साइंस देन you are eligible for all the schools. Okay, so whichever the stream of yours, select here. Now if you have opted for mathematics or statistics in 12th examination, select yes here, and if no then no. So if you have chosen the maths, you are eligible for the BBA programs, BCom programs, economics program. लेकिन अगर आपने maths नहीं लिया है then there are some courses in NMIMS. Yes, there are some courses, so we'll talk about later. Now if you fill all the details then save and next. Now you will move to the third stage, and that is the program and school selections. So guys, these all are the note, read this carefully. So before selecting options, go through all these eligibility criteria with respect to each particular school. So if you want to pursue the BBA, then click here Anil Surendra Modi School of Commerce. Your preferences should be in the decreasing order. So first one will be the Mumbai campus. If you are from Mumbai, okay, select your preferences accordingly. Now I am selecting all these options, so I am looking for the BBA program. Same wise you can choose rest of the programs like BCom and BSc in finance. So once we select the school here, now we'll select the exam slot. So you can select either 27 June, 2nd July or the 4th July. So this one come already 2 dates selected for NPAT, and that means you can select any of the 2 dates. So I am selecting here 27th June and the 4th July. Now for each slot you have to pay 1800 rupees for general category candidates. So I am selecting 2 options here, 27th and the 4th July. Now we have to select the test center here. So I selected 27th of June, then we'll select the center here. I will select the Mumbai here, and for 4th July options I will select here Mumbai again. This is my 2 preferences. Now it's showing that 96.72% seats are remaining for the 27th June slot. So click on payment type and save and next. So this is the NPAT 3600 27 June and 4th July. So I will give exam 2 times, on 27th June and also on the 4th July. Okay, so we have 3 options, 27 June, 2nd July and 4th July. You can choose any 2. Now payment gateway type bill desk. Now CAPTCHA. If you agreed, click here and then submit. So it says application form once saved and submitted and payment is done cannot be changed. Last date for editable field will be Tuesday 25th May 2021. Okay guys, so be careful, fill all the details correctly and then only submit. Now the payment option comes. We have to pay 3600. You can choose credit card, debit card plus ATM pin, internet banking, wallet cash, QR code and UPI. So whatever the options you have, click and make the payment. Once you will pay the payment, then your application form is completed. So you cannot change once it filled. You can change some of the editable options, and that will be last for 25th of May. So friend, this is all from the today's video, all about the form filling for ANPAT. If you are preparing for ANPAT 2021, you can enroll for the boosters from our online program such as books or PDF files, mock test, which is very important. If you are lacking in any particular section, then you can join for the sectional wise courses. And if you want to enroll for the video lectures, PDF file and mock test, then full course. If you want to interact live with us, then guys, we have started our crash course. So you can join to the crash course, call or WhatsApp on these number or visit at manuedu.com/BBA-entrance. If you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So guys, what you have to do, you have to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates with respect to the ANPAT and even all BBA entrance exams. So that's it guys. Thank you very much. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.